Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Wilktop Car Chameleon Film. It's a car vinyl, a film, for a flexible car film for your car, for example, or of course for other parts. Uh, you can foil everything what you like, really. It is a self-adhesive foil. It's flexible vinyl with installation accessories. It's a car chameleon film. 300 to 330 centimeters in dimensions. It is available in chameleon, in silver, or in black. And the chameleon looks really awesome. Really. We make with this vinyl our car more stylish and fashionable. The shiniest on the street and coolest at the party we will be. We have an effective paint film here, anti-fading, it's waterproof, it's non-toxic, and it is a self-adhesive foil. Environmental protection and a good transparency. Scratch resistance, effective protection against scratches, of course, and rain and snow friction. And really easy installation. The chameleon carbon film vinyl, easy to stick and heat with a hair dryer, for example, or a hot gun before use. We make it easy to stick the car film to the surface of our car or other items that needs to be decorated without leaving bubbles or wrinkles. It has strong ductility and can be easily applied to the corners and curved the surfaces. It is ideal for covering small scratches and cracks. Suitable for cars, suitcases, doors, handles, laptops, mobile phones, dashboards, motorcycles, and of course, furnitures. And we have here a perfect, awesome design. We keep the car like new and ensure a good shine effect with a texture tone that flashes under the light. If we have this on our car, applied on our car, everyone out there will look, yeah, I promise. First, we measure how much protective film is needed for the parts to be attached. Then clean it, really clean it. That is so important. Dust, dirt, or wax or other things have to be away from your surface. We do not need to spray water, tear off the paper to stick. No water. We attach it there after we removed the film on the backside. We heat the film with a hair dryer or a hot gun to improve the film adhesion. Then we pull the film carefully to avoid cracks during installation. And after installation, of course, leave the car under sunlight within 48 hours and do not go to the wash park with your car for approximately 1 week. This is important that your foil is getting and stays there on the place. The material is tough and cannot be easily drilled by sharp objects. It is suitable for covering and publishing various objects, such as mobile phones, laptops, and computer hosts, and makes our life so much cooler. It protects our car from scratches and fading. It's easy installation, no wrinkle, no bubbles, no cracks. And waterproof and durable and heat resistant. We protect our car from ultraviolet and air erosion, frost and snow prevention, and it's dust proof. It is really awesome because this makes a new skin for your car, for example. We have comparison dimensions, then we tear off the film, then we shaping with a scraper, then we blow molding, then we trim the corners, and we have a finished film. If you like, the entire car That's possible with the Wilktop Car Chameleon Film here. It's really a lovely looked vinyl. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.